Students today seem to have been bitten by the entrepreneurship bug. Today, we will feature a startup in the apparel space conceptualized by students of SMVIT College, Bengaluru. We will have the two chirpy founders of Narka speak about their entrepreneurial journey so far and their future plans.
Hi guys,
I'm Jai.
and I'm Ashu,
We
and
are
we are
the
the founders
founders
of
of
Narka. We are a Gen Z premium clothing brand, and we represent, like our clothes represent our feeling and our vibe towards any kind of passion that we have, and that's why our unique selling point is wear your vibe.
Well, today on globalstudentnews.com, we are here to share our experience and give you a little insight on our journey so far.
Let's move on to some Q&A. As per your website, Narka is more than clothing. Please elaborate and also give us a brief on what you do and how you do.
So you all might be wondering, what does Narka actually mean? The name was coined by my mom while we were trying to figure out what we should name our company as, and it means clothing, and the language that it comes from is from my village. So that's what Narka means. Narka is more than just a clothing brand. It's because we try to highlight your interests, your passions through what you wear. And how do we do it?
Well, okay, so we have a complete process on it. So while we pick a theme, we look at specific interests. So we see if someone's into engineering, someone's into baking, someone's into photography. So we pick a specific niche, and then we go ahead with the design. So there's a whole picking niche process, then the design process. So the design process again has a lot of stuff, such as like if your t-shirt is a conversation starter, or like it basically has to stand out and it shouldn't just be another t-shirt passing by you. And yeah, so that's the design process, and we do not put out 100 designs. We picked, I think, a maximum of 6-7, and we put it up on our website. So that is our process of picking a niche and going ahead with the designs, so that like people can represent what they believe in. That's the idea. So yeah, so after this design process and finalizing it is when we print it, and then we have shipping delivery partners basically who ship it throughout India, and your bundle of joy is reached to your doorstep.
That's interesting. But how do you stand out from your peers? Your USP?
We are different from other companies is because we focused right before starting and registering our company on the quality of the clothing that we're going to give out to our customers. And the key feature is that these two clothes are from Narka, and this is 9 months old and the print still stays. So that was our main priority, was clothing and the print quality which would last long.
Yeah, so that was our main idea on the quality, so that it would never be an issue ever again. So that's why before starting we went ahead with the quality, and the pricing, we kept it as affordable for anyone in India as possible. So that is our pricing, and the personalization, as you can see, this was a completely a graphic design kind of thing, and we're trying out different things right now also. Like we're trying to convert sketches into prints on the t-shirts. We actually did one and it came out amazing. So people who do sketches are also giving us orders on custom designs. So that's how we personalize orders too, other than just selling it on our website.
And right after we print the cloth, it is quality tested before it's packed and then shipped to you. So rest assured that the product's quality and the premiumness is not lost. So that was our main target.
So it is. So if it isn't up to the standard, it is actually rejected, and another product is done for you before shipment. So yes, so we go 100% into quality, guys.
Next question. Being students, what is the biggest challenge you've faced till date?
So one of our biggest challenges of starting a company during pandemic was pandemic, and the entire process actually began in the month of Feb, and as soon as the lockdown started during March, and the ideation, the business plan, and coming up with all the required government documents took us another 5 months, and we got officially started and recognized by the government by the end of July.
So yeah, so after the idea, everything was done in our houses. So it was like the communication process was a little more harder because we couldn't sit like together and plan out the whole thing. We had to communicate. We had to like adapt to the whole situation. So that was the whole. That was one of the big challenges we faced. The second one was like making it official, making it recognized by the government was the second challenge because it took a lot of time to like what do you call it? It was a million papers to be signed to get it officiated, and that actually took a hit on us because we were like thinking if it would happen, what are they doing, when is it going to happen? So I think those were the two biggest challenges we have faced up till now, and that is because our colleges haven't started yet. So I think the third biggest would be time management as soon as our college starts.
The bigger challenge that we are aware about from the very start is brand image, and especially among the age group of 18 to 22, because that's where we focus on, and that's the Gen Z that we are trying to bring out our product in.
So what next? Future plans for Narka?
Okay, our future is going to be insanely amazing. I'm not even kidding. We have visioned it, and it is gonna be mind blowing. So the first thing we are going to get into is the influencer create market. So everyone who is working day and night to create and put out content on Instagram, YouTube, any social media platform, we want to represent and give them an opportunity to put out merchandise to everyone that follows them, because they love what they do, and wearing something you love basically brightens your whole day, and that is something, an opportunity and a thing we are getting into. Our first launch might be already done by the time this video is out.
Yeah.
So we are in talks with a few creators, and it will be out very soon. So that is one thing for our future.
The next big thing, what we think, is events. That is after the lockdown, of course, and after the entire pandemic issue is over. Vaccines also out, and once that is there, events bring in a lot of communities together, and they interact their ideas and what they love, and that would be a great place to have different people come together and create a community. And that's the final goal of what Narka is achieving, trying to achieve, and creating a big community, a community which is diverse, as well as at the same time we all believe in the fact that what you wear is what you represent. And there's also a small little sneak peek that is
there is a small vacuum between
AR
apparel and AR, augmented reality. So that's something we are getting into. We might show you a sneak peek. Let's see. And
remember this: AR and clothing is a fun time to be around.
I swear, it's coming soon. Hopefully by the end of the year, and it's gonna be crazy.
It's gonna be. I mean, we also have no idea how it's gonna turn out.
Yeah, so it's a work in progress.
Yeah,
we don't know how awesome it's gonna be, and obviously, like everything is tech nowadays. And imagine just like with an app, you can see some.
We aren't supposed to give away stuff.
So
it's
comes soon. Follow us to know.
Yeah.
So that's our future, and it is gonna be
insane. That's for sure.
Now let's switch to a couple of fun questions. Your favorite college snack, favorite teacher, and most memorable moment in college?
Okay, so my favorite food in college. I've eaten a lot. I think for me it would be egg paratha for some reason. I don't know.
Egg paratha is nice. I like it too. My favorite food in college was cheese Maggie.
Okay.
Cheese Maggie is
that beats my. I should have said that. On a rainy day. That was good.
On a rainy day, yeah. Oh man, cheese Maggie, but with cheese on a rainy day is completely different story.
Nice, that beat mine.
Yeah. Favorite teacher? I don't have any one in particular, because I believe that learning can happen through anyone and everyone around us. So I don't really have a favorite teacher.
That is actually inspirational. I was gonna say Udemy, but that makes sense. It is, you learn from everyone around you, because everyone has something to teach, because they have their own story. Wow.
Favorite moment in college? Oh, I mean there are plenty. Yeah, plenty that we can talk about days of memories.
Yeah, it's all with your friends, you know,
Yeah.
the friends you come across in your college, because it's a completely different group of friends that are coming from school.
Exactly.
Because now these are from all over India, different
Yeah,
cultures, and you learn so many different things from them. And I think, like exploring with them. It's like once you become friends, you go around places.
Start companies together.
One of them.
One of them.
Yeah, like going to hills, trekking,
Yeah.
trips would be one of the,
The
best
best
memories in college. And more to
I
come.
think with age, the freedom you get along with this
Yeah.
entire pack
True.
all adds up to a great experience.
Yeah, it is the experience. I think
Yeah.
like we're gonna think about all
This-
this,
all this,
a lot
yeah.
more once we pass
That's
out.
true.
Don't wanna think about it.
And one last question before we wrap up. One inspirational message to all students considering entrepreneurship.
Okay, so one piece of advice for students considering entrepreneurship.
I would say in a way that see in our age a lot of social clauses are around and there is a lot of stigma going on and
Society.
that is society, that's the main thing, and don't think about that and do what you like to do, and I'm pretty sure you will fail and you learn and then you go ahead and really don't care about others and just do it and stop thinking.
If you believe in it, just
Yeah.
go for it. Like
Go for it.
it's gonna be even your parents telling you not to do it. And like
I
even
mean,
we have faced that.
Yeah,
So
don't do things that are totally against.
yeah, like
But-
but yeah, they're gonna tell you not to do it, but like know your risk should be factored basically.
And that's wrap. We hope this video inspires many of you to start your own ventures soon. Have an idea, do take the plunge, but make sure you test the waters before you do so.